In the core area of the DONGTAI gear manufacturing workshop, the CNC lathe grid production line realizes the precise control of the whole process of gear processing from blank to finished product, which has become a solid guarantee for the efficient production of the enterprise. The production line is equipped with a high-rigidity CNC lathe, which can complete turning, milling, drilling and other composite processing to ensure that the dimensional tolerance and shape and position accuracy of the gear are strictly controlled. By programming preset parameters, the machine can quickly switch between the processing tasks of different types of gears, which greatly improves the flexible production capacity. Relying on MES to collect processing data in real time, monitor equipment status and process quality, and reduce human error, the operator only needs to input the processing program to start the operation with one button, and the production efficiency is increased by more than 30% compared with the traditional machine tool. Each process is equipped with an online detection device, and the key dimensions are fed back and corrected in real time to ensure the product qualification rate. Regular two-way compensation and equipment maintenance provide a reliable guarantee for the high-quality output of DONGTAI gears. In the future, DONGTAI will continue to optimize the production process and provide customers with more precise and efficient gear solutions.